Hello and welcome to Canadian Guns and Gear. So I've been doing a couple videos here with regards to emergency food preparations and emergency kits, and I came across a very interesting way of keeping organized. So I wanted to share with everyone. So while I've been making my 30-day emergency kit, I've actually been logging everything in a spreadsheet here. And I'm actually using Google Sheets to do this. So as you can see, I've got my box 1, my box 2, and box 3 here listed in the spreadsheet. And I've gone ahead and made a column here and put all the different item names and the quantity and then the expiration date. So I've got a spot for 3 different expiration dates. You could add more for yourself if you would like. So I've gone through every item I've had and I've recorded how many I have and what the expiration are on those items. Now, this is going to assist in rotating and keeping everything fresh and making sure that you're not wasting stuff by throwing it out because it's become expired without you using it. Now, another aspect of any time you are putting stuff aside is you always want to use stuff that your family normally uses. That way you can put it back into your regular rotation of items when it's getting near its expiration date. That way it doesn't get wasted. But the big thing I found very helpful with this is I found an add-on here for Google Docs or for Google Sheets called Add Reminders. And what it will actually do is you can set it up here to add a reminder when your item comes up to its expiration date. Here will actually send you an email saying, hey, this item is coming near to this expiration date. So I've actually set it here for 15 days before the expiration date. It will shoot me an email and give me the items that are coming up near their expiration. And this really helps, especially with some items that may not last as long as some canned meats, let's say, that only last 6 months to a year. It's really good for those items. That way you can put them back into your rotation and use them up before they go bad. One item in particular that this is really good for that I found was peanut butter. My family does eat a lot of peanut butter. However, when you buy it at the store, it usually only has between a 6 to 9 month shelf life. So I still keep one down in my emergency 30-day food supply, but it's harder to rotate because it does expire so quickly. So this really helps with that because as soon as it gets near to that expiration date, I can pull it, put a fresh one in, and put the one that's near expiration upstairs where it will get eaten. So I just wanted to show everyone that, and hopefully it helps you stay more organized and waste less and save money. Thanks for watching.